In this video, you will learn how to make a tree using colored paper, and you will need 3 shades of green and you will need a brown sheet. And for that, to cut the branch of the tree, we're just giving a cut, and this is going to make the trunk of the tree. And I've taken the paper, folded it like fan folds so that we get leaves from this, and just in my previous video you did see how to cut a leaf, but this I'll be using how to make a tree. Once it is cut, then we take the remaining paper and leverage how much leaves we can get in this. Okay. Now take this, and then I take each leaf and I prepare them like this. When you open it, I'll zoom in and see that it has structures like this. I do the same for all 3, and let me show you. Press with your finger and then start from this side, from right to left. I repeat this fold for the rest, and then I will add it in the picture that is going to be made. This can be assembled like this to give you a tree. If you do want to, you can add in some flowers in between. Different kinds of flowers or fruits. That's how you can create a tree by using leaves. And please subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you.